Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for spending time with me. When you see this face, it is Friday. Let us make a penicillin. There we go. This cocktail marries pretty much everything that I like. A couple days back, I went to a friend's place, Desmond, big ups. That was great, and he made me a penicillin. It marries blended whiskey, Smokey, scotch. I'm using a Lafroig, and honey ginger syrup that I made myself. I'll show you how to make that. Fresh lemon juice all comes together in this fantastic cocktail. Oh my goodness. Happy Friday. Let's make this cocktail. Alright, for the honey syrup, saucepan over one of your burners, we're going to do a quarter cup of water and a quarter cup of honey. Quarter cup water, quarter cup of honey, right in the saucepan. Get it all in there. All right, 1.5 inches of fresh chopped ginger. You can mince this. I just chopped it. 1.5 inches of it. Besides, we're making honey ginger syrup. That should do it. Turn it down to a simmer, and I'm gonna simmer for this for about 5 minutes, and you have your syrup. All right, after simmering for about 5 minutes, I'm gonna let it sit and steep, and that's gonna stay for about 4 hours until we are ready to make our cocktail. All right, 4 hours later, or even overnight, I am gonna sieve this out so I can catch the ginger, and then we're gonna refrigerate it, and our honey syrup is ready to use. Beautiful. All right, folks, my syrup is ready. Ginger, honey, syrup. This goes in the fridge for about 4 hours. Let's put this guy in. We're gonna need 3/4 ounces of fresh lemon juice. Let's get that going. Squeeze those guys out. There we go. I'm gonna save a little bit for garnishing. Bingo. All right, let's assemble this drink. Cocktail shaker full of ice. We're gonna do 2 ounces of blended whiskey. I am using Jameson's. It's in a fancy decanter, but that's fine. 2 ounces of that. We're going to do 3/4 ounces of freshly squeezed lemon juice. I ball that guy. That's 3/4 right there. 3/4 ounce of my honey ginger syrup. You saw how we made that. Goes right in there. Cover that guy up. And we're gonna give it 15-second shake. That should do it. Cocktail ice. And we're gonna strain our penicillin right in there. You're probably wondering about the scotch. Hold your horses, folks. Hold your horses. And here comes the fun part. We are gonna float a 1/4 ounce right on there at the top. Boom! Man, smoky, beautiful. That looks good. All right. For my garnish, lemon paste and a piece of ginger. Why not? Oink. And we have a penicillin. All right, let's give it a try. Looks good, smells good if you like the smoky Lafroig scotch blended whiskey. Goodness gracious, that looks good. Smells good. Let's try it. Woo! Like I told my friend who made it for me, Desmond, this is a great, great cocktail. If you like whiskeys, if you like the smoky flavor, oh my goodness, this is good. Oh. Thank you so much for spending time with me. If you see this face, it is Friday and we are making a cocktail. Have a good weekend.